So here we have the Ford Ecosport on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. Fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge in the middle at the bottom. And above that, the main trip computer, which firstly includes the total miles. As you can see, they are 4,937. You can change information displayed in the central section. So we have a digital readout for the speedometer at the moment. You can change that. So we've got a trip computer, vehicle settings, we've got your telephone, your audio, and your satellite navigation menus, and then back around to the beginning again. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. We have cruise control and speed limiter over that side as well, and then stereo and phone controls on the right hand side. You'll only be able to use the phone controls when you pair the phone up to the car, and that is done over on the touchscreen in the center. Just hit add device.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And follow the instructions on screen from there. We can go back to the home screen, access your audio options. So again, as you can see, we've got AM, FM and DAB radio. Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls. And we come back out of that screen where you'll be able to access your satellite navigation as well. There's a full video that we've done showing how this works. You can find on our website and on our YouTube channel. Working our way down, we have the volume for the stereo just there. And then we've got climate control. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed once it enters the car. Once you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is on at the minute. If that's off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and direction of the air for you. You can hear it doing that. Any manual adjustment, either the fans or the direction, will override auto straight away again. We've got a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. 2 USB inputs for your music. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system's turned off from here. And we can turn our traction control on and off. And then we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.